Hi, this is Zach here from Zach's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Thursday, the 19th of May. Starting off with Aminex, where it looks as though we've got a decent reaction here from the bottom of this falling triangle wedge formation. Also an uptrend line in the RSI window from December, which is helpful. Suggests that as little as an end of day close above this resistance line from November around 1.35 should take the shares up to the 200-day moving average level at 1.63 over the next 2 to 4 weeks, and that is, after all, the top of the trading range that's been in place since the end of January. Next up is BNR, which is Blenheim Natural Resources, still looking for this or a possibility of a broadening triangle rebound. Started that off the 0.6 level or 0.57 level earlier this month. Decent reaction so far, breaking the 10-day average of 0.65. Target here initially over the next 2 to 4 weeks is the 50-day moving average of 0.95 pence. But we really need to see a weekly close above that to pencil in a return to the best levels of the turn of the year, above 1.5 pence later in the summer. Moving along to stock which looks like it's also trying to improve. Harvest Minerals bounced off the 50-day moving average several times in recent sessions. That's at 4.82 pence after the break higher last month. Hoping that we're in a broadening triangle from October last year, and then at least while above the 50-day line, the shares will give us a minimum retest of 8.35 pence last month's resistance, and then on a 2 to 3 months view as high as 14 pence at the top of the broadening triangle. MX Oil difficult to avoid at the moment. A fascinating situation and fascinating recovery. We had the triple bear trap, triple bottom here. The low in January, then April, and then for May just below the previous lows. Breaking this resistance line here again after the failure last time, and a decent end of day close above the 50-day moving average at 0.83 pence for yesterday's session, while we hold above the 50-day line, looking for at least 1.15 pence, which is last month's resistance, and on to the 1.2, 1.3 pence zone, which is March resistance over the next 2 to 4 weeks. This stage only back below, let's say, the 10-day line, 0.75, really delays the upside scenario. RSI at 56, also very positive as well. On to Northern Petroleum, which has not exactly been a winning situation over recent weeks and months, but it does look as though we're finally getting some traction for the bulls. Touched the 200-day moving average yesterday at 3.52, and a decent end-of-day close above that over the course of the next few sessions should open up the possibility of a target towards 5 pence, perhaps by the end of next month. Good noises also in the RSI window as well, with an uptrend line from the beginning of April. This stage only really back below the 50-day moving average at 2.66 pence would delay or question the upside scenario. Finishing off with Sylvania Platinum, and one touch of the 200-day moving average earlier this week. Buying zone now, former resistance around 7 pence. Stop loss 6.82 pence, the 50-day moving average, and the target here back up to 8.5 pence, which is the top of the January trend channel there. So looks like at least the start of a decent turnaround there at Sylvania Platinum. That's it from me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.